Here's how you measure 1 cup if you don't have a 1 cup measure. So we'll look at a few different ways. First off, you could take 2 half cups, 1, 2, that would give you a full cup. 1/2 plus 1/2, that gives you a full cup. Or you could take 3 1/3 cups, 1, 2, 3, that gives you a full cup. You've probably figured out if you take 1, 2, 3, 4 of these 1/4 cups, that also gives you a cup. But if you don't have any cups at all and you have a tablespoon, 1 cup, that equals 16 tablespoons. So you could measure out 16 tablespoons. This is a nice conversion to know. Since 1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons, you could also measure out 48 teaspoons, and that would give you a cup as well. And if you didn't have anything, typically a mug, like a coffee mug, that's about 1 cup. So if you had to wing it, you could do that. But that's how you can measure 1 cup if you don't have that 1 cup measure. It's Dr. B, and thanks for watching.